Hi guys, how's everybody doing? Welcome back. You know that I come on when I can. Um, I worked this morning and I've been up since 4 o'clock. I didn't be at work at 5, but got off at 10 this morning. So I'm pretty tired. Um, Working nights, and hopefully that will get adjusted soon. But anyways, I just wanted to come on and um, show you a little haul. And I was going to do it on Saturday, but I had to close. And then Sunday and Monday I was off, but I had to go watch my grandbabies. So therefore, I couldn't do the unboxing. But I am going to show you. I went to an estate sale. Yeah, an estate sale. And they were having one like right down the street from my job. And this thing came with 122 pieces. This thing was jam-packed. This was brand new. I asked the owner, what had happened, and she said that she had, what I'm going to show you, she had bought it and never got to use it. But anyways, let me show you what it is. I'll show you the box. Excuse the dogs. Anyways, it's this. The sewing machine kit. Hang on just a minute, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Anyways, it's this. And 122 piece set came with this machine. And I'll show you the little machine. I've been trying to work with it, getting the tension right and stuff like that, but this is it right here. Look at that, guys. Isn't that cute? Oh, it's so adorable. I mean, it is just adorable. It comes, I've got it plugged in because, I've been working with it, but it comes with a long, you can use the foot pedal or you can take it off, which, okay, it has a little bitty light, if you can see right there. And then, it comes with 3 little buttons. So this is the light. And then this is the high and low speed. And then this is the button you can push and it'll go. So you can use it without the foot pedal or with the foot pedal. So this is what I was learning on it. This right here, you can wind your bobbin, but I'm not going to wind it on this. I'm going to use my regular sewing machine and I'm going to wind the bobbins. But let me show you what it all came with. It comes with a little lever right here. And all you do is pull it up and you can use regular thread. It's sewing machine. So, this came with jam-packed of crap, of stuff. And guys, it didn't come with the box, but I got this at my job, Dollar General. And I'm thinking about there's a flat one, and I'm thinking about getting 2 more. I got this one, I'm thinking about getting 2 more of it. And I'm going to separate the stuff that comes with this from the other stuff. Anyways, I got everything in here. It did come with, I'm going to show you. I had a whole slew of stuff here, which it came with a whole bunch of these little bitty threads. Now, I can use these threads on here. You know, you can use any thread. But it came with a whole bunch of these. All different colors. It came with pins. It came with the thimble. It came with a seam ripper. And you guys, it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It came with 10 Wonder Clips. Isn't that awesome? 10 of them. And these are the kind of the long, but that's what it came with, 10 Wonder Clips. It came with some buttons. And then it came with all of these bobbins that are already filled that I can just put on in this machine. Now, I was watching a couple videos, and you can use this one. You know, you can use this or the thread, but some people say they don't ever use these, is that they like to use the thread better, and which I've been trying out, and you have to kind of adjust the tension on it. So it came with a whole bunch of those. Which I think this is a very cute machine. Oh, and a needle threader. And you got to use this to thread your needle. You know my eyes. Oh, and it did come with a pack of 1, 2, 3, 5 extra needles to this machine. So you might want to be careful because you can bend it, and so I want to try to, because I don't know where you can, you might order it off Amazon or whatever, but I want to try to save these, but you can change out the needle. It came with, now I thought this right here was one of those little rolling things, but it's not. It is a ruler, and it folds down, and then it folds up, and it's a clear ruler. It's so neat. So I can just, you know, fold it up. It comes with the measuring tape. It came with this marking tool, you know, to mark your fabric. Let me see. Oh, I've got all my thread that I'm going to use this with machine up there. Let me see. What else did it come with? Oh, it came with this hard case right here. And you can use this to put all your sewing notions, whatever. It come with this case. And it also came with 50 10-inch squares of fabric. 50. And look at this one, guys. Ice cream cone. And this is kind of a thin, but it's still usable. Okay. Where did it go? My sewing table's in such a wreck and a mess, and oh, it come with this bag. You put all your stuff in it. It came with that. I wonder what happened with it. Huh. I was like, I know I didn't lose it. Oh. It also came with an extension table. I really haven't played with the extension table because it's not sitting right. Oh, and I had to get some more batting at Walmart. Oh, here it is. Oh, and it came with a little pair of scissors. But yeah, it came with an extension table. Oh, and it comes with a little instruction book. This little book right here I thought was very cute. I like the little girl in the back. But anyways, this has 10 projects that you can do. And it tells you all about your machine. And on this page here, you can cut this out. And like this here. And make your own templates. And you can use this as your template. So, or you cut this one out and you can trace or use your template for this one right here, which I thought that was pretty neat. It has in here like cute accessories, a flower hair clip, bow headband, and a stylish belt. And then it has where you can make a cute little head bow. This other one has a dinner napkin, a wristlet key fob, pencil case, and a handy bookmark. And it's got 10 projects in here that you can do. It also has where you can make a cozy quilt, a floral decoration, and a throw pillow. So, you can make a little quilt here. But I thought that was nifty, but anyways, I thought this was cute. But anyways, yeah, that's what came with the machine. And guess how much I paid for it? $5 for that machine. With everything that came in it, $5. But anyways, here's some of the fabric that come with it. You have a lot of floral and gingham and stripes and polka dots. So, you have green, you've got black, you've got gray, you've got orange, you've got green, yellow, so yeah, I kind of cut up some fabric yesterday to my favorite colors is this really hot pink polka dot. I love that. And the gingham, and the flowers. So yeah, it come with 50 pieces of 10-inch squares. And I cut up some yesterday to kind of see how they would sew. But yeah, it's a little loud. But I think once I get it the right tension, I think it'll be okay. But anyways, I just wanted to come on here and kind of post this video for y'all. And but yeah, what makes it handy is I've got this little cutting mat, and so I'm thinking about making me a bag. Well, I've got a bag, but I don't know, I might make another one like this. And I made, you know, which my little ironing board, and I have my little iron, and everything will fit in this bag. But I'm thinking about making another one. My cutting mat will go in here, all my fabric, all the accessories, my sewing machine I can put in this bag, but you know, I don't know. I gotta play around with it, see what I want to do. But I could put different stuff in here. I really love this bag. And so, but yeah. So, but yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show everybody. Oh, I'm in the process of gonna be making a doll, and I've got the body right here, and this doll's gonna be from Debbie Shore. Alright guys, I've got to take this call, but I will talk to y'all later, and y'all please subscribe and leave comments below, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye bye.